Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Good evening everyone. I am your speaker Neerav Shah and welcome to the Jambi Stock Market Training class. For those who have sold the block shares of SmartLink, I believe you have gained significant profits. If you didn't get enough shares of Lila Voyage today, don't forget we can still subscribe for its IPO tomorrow. The expected returns for this IPO are around 150%. Now, let's first take a look at today's index. Sensex and 118 points lower. Nifty holds 22,200. BSE mid cap up 0.6%. Small cap gains 1%. Nifty PSU Bank Index led gainers up 1.4%, followed by Nifty Realty and Oil and Gas both up 1%. Nifty FMCG Index was the top loser, down 1%, with Nifty Auto down 0.5%. Nifty Bank and Nifty Private Bank indices slipped 0.3% each. Now I will tell you about IPO's company name, offer price range. Go Digital General Insurance Limited 258 to 272 rupees. Quest Laboratories Limited 93 to 97 rupees. Indian Emulsifiers Limited 125 to 132 rupees. APS Marine Services Limited 140 to 147 rupees. Veritas Advertising Limited 109 to 114 rupees. Mandeep Auto Industries Limited 67 rupees. Now we will talk about indices overview, index name and percentage change. Nifty Bank minus 0.36% change. Nifty IT minus 0.02% change. Nifty Auto minus 0.50% change. Nifty 50 minus 0.08% change. And Nifty Pharma 0.14% change. Also we will talk about industry index. Banks, IT software, diversified, auto, FMCG, pharmaceutical, metal, various, cement and construction all are fallen. And power, NBFCs, financial services, gas and petroleum, telecommunications, engineering, real estate, auto ancillaries, defense, consumer durables and term lending institutions all are rise. Okay, that's the general news for today. Yesterday we covered the basics and techniques of stock watching. Today let's extend our knowledge to technical indicators analysis. Stock requires utilizing various aspects together to stand strong. First, let's take a look at what we are going to learn today. Analyzing technical indicators for timing short-term selling opportunities. Everyone knows that technical indicators are not as effective in strongly trending bull markets or continuous bear markets. However, they are quite useful for swing trading in volatile markets. In practical swing trading, the 90-minute stochastic indicator KDJ and 90-minute momentum indicator CCI are the most accurate in predicting buy and sell signals. Technical indicators analyze the timing for short-term selling and opportunities in market fluctuations, especially when the J value of KDJ is crossing above the zero line and CCI shows signs of turning upwards. It's a good time to buy. As we can see in the chart, I have mentioned all the things. Conversely, if the J value of KDJ is crossing below its position and CCI shows signs of turning downward, investors should promptly sell. Now, let's begin to the next point. Sell stocks strictly according to predefined stop-loss standards and profit targets. Because swing trading is considered a short-term trading behavior, it's essential to set strict stop-loss levels. When stock prices fluctuate continuously, analyze market changes and adjust stop-loss and profit targets accordingly. Sell stocks promptly when it's determined that the market trend is nearing its end. Avoid greediness. Once your profit target is reached, take profits immediately. Otherwise, not only could you lose your profits, but you might also risk your initial investment. In summary, swing trading is more suitable for short-term trading. With an understanding of price movements, it's important to know when to make decisions. Avoid chasing excessive profits and exit immediately when a suitable selling opportunity arises. Lock in profits. In addition, I would also like to share with everyone our trading selling techniques. First point, selling techniques for uptrend lines. Point A. The stock price has experienced significant short-term gains recently, and its medium to long-term accumulated gains are also substantial. Point B. This uptrend line is medium to long-term, having been in operation for at least a month. Point number C. When the stock price has been trading above this medium to long-term uptrend line for a considerable period, a downward breakout of this trend line by the stock price's candlesticks indicates that the previous uptrend is likely to end. Investors should promptly take short-term profits, as this is a selling signal indicated by the trend line. Point number D. The candlestick that breaks below the medium to long-term trend line is a significantly long bearish candlestick. Point number E. In the days before and after the stock price's candlestick breaks below the medium to long-term trend line, there is a noticeable increase in trading volume indicating capital outflow. Point number F. The longer the uptrend line has been in operation, the stronger the effectiveness of the downward breakout. The steeper the angle of the uptrend line above 45 degrees, the higher the reliability of the downward breakout and the greater the intensity of the stock price will decline. Point number 2. Selling technique for top horizontal channels. A. Before the formation of the top horizontal channel, the stock has been experienced significant cumulative gains. Point B. The duration of the stock horizontal channel is relatively short, typically lasting for more than half a month. Point number C. After a prolonged period of significant upward movement, reaching certain high levels, a top horizontal channel forms during a stage of consolidation. The stock price's candlesticks operate within this horizontal channel, indicating that the stock is undergoing a top consolidation phase. Investors should closely monitor whether major players are selling off. Point D. Once the stock price's candlesticks break below the lower boundary of this horizontal channel with increased volume, it indicates the end of the top consolidation phase and the stock is likely to enter a rapid decline. At this point, investors can promptly take short-term profits as this is a selling signal indicated by the top horizontal channel. Point E. The candlestick that breaks below the lower boundary of the horizontal channel is a medium to large bearish candlestick. Moreover, in the days before and after the stock price's candlestick breaks below the lower boundary of the horizontal channel, there is a noticeable increase in trading volume, indicating capital outflow. Point F. The longer the formation time of the top horizontal channel, the stronger the effectiveness of the downward breakout, and the greater the intensity of the stock price decline. Point number 3. Holding technique for downtrend lines. Point first. When the stock price has been rising for a relatively long period or consolidating and then begins to decline, forming a medium to long-term downtrend line. Alternatively, if the stock's opening price at listing significantly deviates from its investment value, causing the stock price to decline continuously. Point 2. When the stock price's candlesticks start operating below the medium to long-term downtrend line, it indicates the recent establishment of a medium to long-term downtrend, suggesting significant potential for future declines. This is a holding and observing signal indicated by the downtrend line. Point 3. As long as the stock price candlestick remains suppressed by this medium to long term downtrend, whether the candlestick formation is bullish or bearish, it does not affect the decision to hold. Point 4. Only when there are signs of the stock price breaking above this downtrend line should investors consider establishing positions. Point 5. The flatter the slope of this downtrend line, the more stable the stock's downtrend, increasing the reliability of holding and observing. The above scenarios depict different signals for selling. By paying attention to these signals, we can make informed decisions not only for buying but also for selling stocks reasonably. Now that we have discussed techniques and relevant knowledge, let me also talk about what everyone is most interested in: the profit plan and future operations for our wealth from investment. In 2024, Jambi institution launched a new partnership plan with retail investors called Wealth From, aiming for a total profit of 480% and above, divided into 3 stages. The first stage aims for a profit target of 100%. The second stage aims for a profit target of 280%. And the third stage aims for a profit target of 480%. This trading plan signifies a long-term mutually beneficial partnership between Jambi institution and individual investors, aimed at expanding into the Indian investment market. The program progresses through 3 stages, starting with the first stage, which primarily involves accumulating funds through UC and BT trades to achieve wealth growth and prepare for the subsequent stages. The overall profit target is set above 480%. Jambi institution will ensure that each stage meets its predetermined goals by sharing its trading privileges in the market. I am sure everyone is aware that the first phase of our wealth from profit plan has been achieved. Those who haven't claimed their rebates yet should hurry up and contact me. The rebate for the second phase is 10,000 rupees, and for the third phase it's 1 lakh rupees. But there are still a small number of friends who haven't strictly followed the instructions. If the strategy isn't adhered to, actions will be taken on their accounts. Please cherish this wealth from profit plan. Of course, besides debates, don't forget about our recruitment program. Next, let me explain some details about the recruitment program. Dear friends, we are a professional organization deeply involved in studying profitable strategies in the stock market. We are committed to exploring market trends, identifying investment opportunities, and providing practical profit-making strategies to investors. To expand the influence of our organization, we sincerely invite aspiring individuals to join our team of market partners. If you are passionate about market expansion, skills in interpersonal communication, and eager to explore new opportunities in entrepreneurship, we welcome you to become our market partner. Market partner recruitment plan. We encourage every market partner to actively refer members to learn about our organization and invite them to participate in our programs. As long as the referred members agree with our organization and culture and successfully join us, the market partner will enjoy corresponding profit sharing policies. Market partner levels and profit sharing standards are as follows. Point 1. Junior partners. Successfully introduced 3 people to join and enjoy junior profit sharing benefits and receive 1,000 shares as a gift. Second, intermediate partner. Successfully introduced 5 people to join and enjoy intermediate profit sharing benefits and receive 2,000 shares as a gift. Third, senior partner. Successfully introducing 10 people to join and enjoy senior profit sharing benefits and receive 5,000 shares as a gift. And the last one, special partner, who successfully introduces 20 people to join and enjoy special profit sharing benefits and receive 12,000 shares as a gift. Point 2. self-owned trading fund pool and source of profit sharing. The profit sharing comes from our organization's self-owned trading fund pool. This fund pool mainly consists of 30 of the profits paid by clients to the financial department of the business pool, aiming to achieve resource sharing and win-win benefits. Point 3. Allocation method of self-owned trading fund pool. To ensure the fair allocation and efficient utilization of the fund pool, we have formulated the following distribution methods. 30% of client profits are allocated to the financial department of the research institute. The specific purposes are as follows. Point 1. %, allocated to foundations related to social welfare such as children's and women's rights protection for social welfare undertakings. Point 2. 10% allocated to cooperative funds or brokerages. Institutional resources are not provided for free. Third point, 10% allocated to the business school to expand the self-owned trading fund pool for future profit sharing among partners from the fund pool. We firmly believe that through collective efforts and fair distribution, the self-owned trading fund pool will achieve continuous growth, bringing more profits and opportunities to every market partner. If you are interested in our recruitment plan, please contact us and we will provide you with detailed cooperation plans and support. We look forward to your participation in creating a better future together. Of course, some people have expressed concerns about what would happen if there were losses. Here, once again, I want to make it clear that if there are any losses, Jambi will take full responsibility and compensate by providing another super bullish stock. So everyone must remember to strictly follow instructions to ensure eligibility for compensation and maximize profits. Currently, our profit plan for Wellstrong has reached approximately 200%. With this achievement, I believe we will soon enter the third phase. The rapid accomplishment of our goal is attributed to everyone's trust in us and strict adherence to all instructions. Next, we will further refine and optimize our strategy to maintain high returns and achieve our financial goals. Thank you for your continued support and cooperation. Please stay tuned for our updates as we journey towards even greater success together. Of course, besides the profit guarantee I mention every day, strict execution will also help us complete the Wealth from Profit plan more quickly. Don't forget, the rebate in the third stage is 1 lakh rupees. Everyone can inquire about appointments with my assistant in advance and be prepared in advance to seize the opportunity. Lastly, I remind everyone that the deadline for IPO subscription is on 16. In life and work, we often find that practice and opportunity are inseparable. Success comes when both are pursued simultaneously. Many people wait for the perfect opportunity, overlooking the importance of taking immediate action. However, opportunities are often reserved for those who are prepared and have already begun to act. On behalf of all the teams and individuals involved in the Wealth from Profit plan at Jambi, I, Neerav Shah, express gratitude to revert the God and all the members and students who trust us. We promise to lead you all to new heights. That concludes my sharing for tonight. Thank you everyone and see you tomorrow. Good night.